It's worth pointing out that we can also nest our conditionals. So just as we can nest our lists, we can have a list within a list, or our dictionaries, we can have a dictionary within a dictionary, or a list within a dictionary, or a dictionary within a list, etc. We can nest our conditionals. So similar concept to some things you learned before. I just wanted to point it out to you because it is worth being aware of explicitly. So if how we do this is we can say if a condition is met, so if this condition 1 is true, and remember every time we have our if statement or our else or elif, once we get to this colon, we can think of that once we get to that colon, indent. Okay? So in most cases when we see a colon, we indent, not all. But at this point in the course, you can think of that as a helpful guide. So if condition 1 is true, colon, indent. And then we can have another nested if-else control structure. If condition 2 is true, well, this code will only be executed if both condition 1 and condition 2 are true. So we see if condition 1 is true, then we go down here, continue evaluating. Condition 2 is true. Yes, we'll execute that code. If condition 2 is false, we will execute our else code. So this code right here. So if condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false, we'll execute this else code. If condition 1 is false, what will happen? Well, none of this will even be looked at because condition 1 is false. So the program will continue running down here somewhere. So I just wanted you to be aware of that nested control structure functionality in Python and know that we can use it in this manner. All right, see you in the next lecture.